Theta. Today we will discuss the concentration cell from chapter electrochemistry for class 12th. Concentration cell is the cell in which electrode, that is cathode and anode, both have same electrolytic solution, but concentration of these electrolytic solution will be different. Let us suppose we have two beakers. Each beaker consists of copper sulfate solution. Both will consist of copper sulfate solution. This is copper sulfate solution and this is also copper sulfate solution. In concentration cell, two electrodes are of same kind. Copper rod dipped in the copper sulfate solution. The concentration of these two solutions will be different. One is represented by C1, other one is C2. Beta, C2 always greater than C1. The solution with high concentration acts as cathode and solution with low concentration acts as anode. Anode is connected with positive end of the battery and cathode is connected with negative end of the battery. These two solutions are combined by salt bridge. Beta, for these two solutions, E naught cell remain 0 because electromotive force or reduction potential for both the electrode is same, so cathode minus anode is 0. According to Nernst equation, E cell is equal to E naught cell plus 0.0591 upon n log of cathode upon anode. Molar concentration of cathode or polar concentration of electrolyte at anode. For concentration cell, E naught cell is 0. So, E cell is 0.0591 upon n. N is the number of electrons involved, log of C2 by C1. This is for concentration cell. In your exam, write short note on concentration cell. Beta, in concentration cell, two electrodes are arranged with same type of electrolytic solution and concentration of these electrolytic solution will be different if concentration of the solution one is larger, other is smaller. Greater concentration acts as cathode, smaller concentration acts as anode, and then for these at anode loss of electron take place, at cathode gain of electron take place, but electrode potential under standard condition of both will remain same. So E naught cell for same electrolytic solutions is 0. Putting these in Nernst equation, then Nernst equation become this one, and this is known as Nernst equation for concentration cell. And if we want to calculate the electrode potential for concentration cell, we apply directly this formula. Now Nernst equation with equilibrium constant. Now our topic is Nernst equation with equilibrium constant. Nernst equation with equilibrium constant. Beta, equilibrium constant is K or Kc. It is represented by anode, concentration of anode or concentration of cathode. According to Nernst equation, E cell is equal to E node cell minus 0.0591 upon n log of, if there is minus, anode at numerator and cathode as denominator. Put the value of equilibrium constant, that is this one, and E cell at equilibrium is 0. So E node cell is equal to 0.0591 upon n log of Kc. Then beta equilibrium cell and gives free energy for the reaction or relationship between delta G node and E node cell. You will directly learn the relationship between Gibbs free energy under standard condition and electromotive force of cell under standard condition. Beta, from your class 11th chapter thermodynamic, you directly write this phenomena, that is delta G naught is equal to minus 2.303 RT log of Kc. This log of Kc is come from E node cell, that is arise. Better this relation is arise like delta G is equal to minus NF E cell under standard condition. Better under standard condition, if you want to write for equilibrium constant, E cell is equal to either RT upon NF log of Kc, natural log of Kc. Kc is the equilibrium constant. Putting the value of this here, minus NF, value of E cell RT upon NF ln of Kc. NF cancel out, minus RT ln of Kc. Value of ln, when we want to replace ln, it is 2.303 log. Then delta G naught is equal to minus 2.303 RT log of Kc. But derivation is not in your syllabus, so only 1 mark question in your exam. What is the relationship between delta G naught and E cell? Your direct answer is this one.